Hello and welcome to EloQ. Development of the application was funded by Moscow State University of Medicine and Dentistry and High School of Economics. EloQ, an eloquent cortex mapping assistant, provides you with an opportunity to create an individual set of tests for your patients. Basic sets of pictures for objects and actions are already there for you. You can also create your custom tests with pictures and words by uploading your own pictures. These files have PNG extension, but JPEG will work just fine. We will now create a record for our first patient. We input the last name, then the first names. The format for date of birth is month, then date, then year. The database keeps record of the date and location of admission along with other identifying information. The app is featured with a search function across your personal database. Remember that this search is case sensitive. To start testing, you first need to select the collection and then to prepare it by showing it to the patient. You can include the pictures that the patient has successfully named and exclude those that are named incorrectly. If you need to, you can retest the patient and create another set. You can review the collection after preparation. Selected pictures will be framed green. The app automatically timestamps the trials, so you can see which ones were made before, during, or after awake surgery to assess the dynamic of speech changes. It is possible then to group the selected attempts according to the acceptable number of mistakes per page. The demonstration of the pictures is accompanied by a sound. Demonstration parameters can be tuned to the examination protocol of your institution. The picture's demonstration is automatically randomized.